What I learned growing up in public schools was how to go through the motions without mastering the material. I learned how to be a faux achiever. My faux achievement got me into Reed College, one of the best private colleges in the country, but it couldn't get me through. So I dropped out in 1989. Faux achievement is rampant in both public and private K-12 schools. Along with dropping out and failing to achieve, it is one of the key symptoms of the epidemic of disengagement. The Carnegie Foundation in 2015 issued a report that acknowledged that the disengagement problem is both pervasive and solvable. Quote, "The disengagement gap is more solvable than the achievement gap," end quote. After finally finishing my degree at Reed in 2012, I founded Schools of Conscience to fight the epidemic of disengagement by developing the first ever hidden curriculum toolbox. The hidden curriculum is where policies and brains interact. You can't observe brains nor policies directly in the classroom, but how they interact creates limits on what can happen there. Our hidden curriculum toolbox will help schools create a combination of policies and practices that are consistent with how human brains actually work. Our strategy for the fight is epidemiology. Besides fighting diseases like cholera, epidemiology has also been applied successfully to negative behavior. So we are applying epidemiological principles to disengagement. Our three-step plan is to educate, equip, and advocate. We educate teachers on the proper role of nurturing as the foundation of education and how to practice nurturing in the classroom. In our work, nurturing, just supporting the primary human needs. Schools need to know how well they are supporting those needs, so to show them that, we are going to equip them with systems for gathering well-being data. The long-term goal is to incorporate that data into an accreditation model. And we advocate for schools to enact our Nurturing is the Foundation policy framework, which spells out key scientific findings and what they mean for effective education policy and practice. You can participate in 4 ways. First, you can learn more about our work on our website and sign up for our email newsletter. Soon, you will be able to enroll in online courses to get even more in-depth information. Second, you can endorse the Nurturing is the Foundation resolution to help us communicate to leaders that they too should make it their policy. Third, you can join Schools of Conscience by making a generous monthly contribution to supporting our work. After you become a member, we will need your assistance in establishing and maintaining relationships with schools, so together we can advocate for nurturing. My name is Don Berg. I'm the founder of Schools of Conscience. There's one unique opportunity for you to help right now. The next major step for us is to position ourselves to implement these plans effectively. We need the help of an established organization that has the capacity to take on the challenge. You may be the person who introduces us to the help we need. 2 characteristics are important to us. Who do you know at an organization that 1 is committed to the success of K-12 schools and 2 has the capacity to be active in multiple districts or at the state or national levels? If someone just popped into your mind, I would appreciate if you would introduce us. I can be reached through our website at schoolsofconscience.org. Thanks.